Hi everyone and welcome to MathSux. Today we're going to do something a little different and review math jewelry that was 3D printed and designed by Hanusa Design. So there's been a rise in popularity in 3D printed jewelry all the way from luxury fashion brands like Balenciaga to the more niche brands like Hanusa Design. So of course we know that when we hear 3D printing, we know this is going to involve math and STEM. So not only is this jewelry made using STEM with 3D printing, but notice it's also math inspired. So this is called math jewelry, which is kind of cool. So now to the unboxing. So first we have this Mobius necklace right here. So this is made of metal and it's made of silver, but it's really nice. I feel like it would go with anything. It's just like a classic piece. And just a reminder of what a Mobius strip is. A strip that has only one side, but it is a two-dimensional shape. So that's why it's pretty cool. It's like a geometric phenomenon. So this is up close, and here I am wearing it. And yeah, I'm definitely a fan of this. This is really nice if you're a big fan of math or not. Up next we have pie earrings. So these are cute dangly earrings. They're made of nylon. And I must admit, even though they are super cute, they're also super nerdy. So this is definitely for people who actually are like obsessed with math. So just a reminder about what pi is. It's, in case you don't know, it's an infinite and irrational number that starts with 3.1459 and just keeps going. And it always represents a circle's ratio of its circumference to its diameter. A number that appears in every circle everywhere. So every circle's ratio of its circumference to its diameter will have pi. And it's represented by this Greek letter pi. So that's why pi is so cool in math, and that's why someone might want to wear these. I feel that this is such a nice color. White will like pop. They have a bunch of other colors too that you can check out on their website. The last pair of earrings we have are these mini golden ratio earrings. Thought these looked very cool and almost modern art-like for anyone who has a bit of a funkier style. These would be great for like every day with a plain white t-shirt and jeans. And what is the golden ratio? In case you don't know, it's a proportion related to a never-ending sequence of numbers called the Fibonacci sequence, and it is considered to be the most pleasing ratio to the human eye. The ratio itself is an irrational number that starts at 1.618 and just keeps going. It stems from the following sequence of numbers known as the Fibonacci sequence. So notice, if you could see the pattern, we're adding each two previous terms together. So we get 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, and it just keeps going. So the golden ratio is found in many places in nature, naturally, but also in art, like in the Mona Lisa, and architecture, like at the Taj Mahal and the Parthenon. And the shape you see here is something called a golden rectangle. The lengths of this rectangle are in the proportion from 1 to 1.618, following the golden ratio. So behold the beauty of the golden ratio. So that's not just in buildings and art, it's also in fun earrings, which is nice. So just a little background on how the jewelry is made. This jewelry was sent to me by the founder of Hanusa Design, Chris Hanusa, who explained the 3D printing process. So each piece is designed in a mathematical software called Mathematica, which is then exported as an STL file. And if you want to learn more about the 3D printing process and the math inspiration behind the jewelry, check out the full interview on my blog. The link is in the description below. So overall, final conclusions about this jewelry. I think that 3D printed jewelry is adorable. It's perfect for math nerds or regular people. If you're really into math, maybe you want to get one of these. And if someone is not as into math, maybe you can have like the Mobius strip necklace and have like a fun math secret. No one will know that it's math related, which could be kind of fun. The Hanusa Design, this brand could be found in museum stores around the country and online. You can also check out their full collection by using the link in the description below. They've also been kind enough to provide MathSux readers and subscribers with an exclusive 10% off discount using the code MathRocks now through December 31st, 2021. It's perfect for the holiday season. I know that's a little far off, but it's nice to start thinking about that stuff. So this is a great gift for anyone who's into math. So definitely check out their stuff. They have way more math designs than this with different colors and different materials, metal, nylon. So check out their website. I'm also going to be giving away the pie earrings for anyone. All you have to do to enter is like this video, subscribe to MathSux, and comment in the description below. Do any of you have experience with 3D printing? Would you wear math-inspired jewelry? Let me know what you guys think, and if you like this video and want to see more, please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks so much for stopping by, and happy calculating!